Now, when you first get started with XOGO, there are really three tasks that you need to complete. We are A, going to upload our content, that's our graphics and videos. B, create playlists from that content. And then C, add our media players and tell them which playlists that we want them to play. So we're going to get started by logging into XOGO with our email address and password. And now you'll see in this account, I already have a lot of items in the library, but I'm going to add more. So you see I just clicked plus new and then clicked choose new media item. And from our desktop, I chose the destination folder. This one has all of our graphics and videos, and we're going to add a graphic here called one-on-one walk-in ride-out. This is just a PNG file. Again, we accept JPEG and PNG files as well as videos. We're going to add some tags here to make the content searchable, which we'll cover in a later video on real-time mode. But we'll just go ahead and type in our tags and click save, and now this media item is going to save to our library. Okay, and now we will see the media item that just uploaded is going to be in the top left there in our library. If we click on library itself in the top left, we'll see all of our graphics and videos that we have uploaded in our library. Another way to do that is to click on the side panel and choose library from here. Again, it takes us to the same destination, and we can see all of our graphics and videos. In the next video, we'll talk about how to create a playlist out of these items so we can assign it to a XOGO media player.